And that's the next component. Balance is one of those things that we lose if we don't practice. There's a lot of things we lose. Balance is one of them. Reaction time, the ability to move things quickly, or power. As we spend more and more time sitting and doing less activity, these things go away if we don't practice them. So balance is another good one. So I take that basic hip hinge movement, and now instead of kickstand, I move myself back. I hold that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back again. I can get this leg up if I want. That's less important as the hip hinge. I can get an airplane position, find that balance point, and then do 3 or 5 on one side. Same idea on the other. What can make this more difficult? A lot of folks would jump into, we'll just add some weight. Before you add resistance to anything, you want to make sure the quality of the movement is good and you're strong. One of the ways that you can increase level of difficulty is you hold it for a little bit longer. So instead of 5 seconds, hold it for 10 seconds. Work your way up like a plank, like a squat. Hold yourself up for 30 seconds, and you'll find that the level of difficulty goes up.